Let's take a look at Raptor's new high temperature roll bar and chassis aerosols. Its UV resistant formula can withstand temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius, and it's available in gloss black and satin black. Before we do anything, we recommend gearing up with a respirator, a pair of safety goggles, and latex or nitrile gloves. As you can see here, we're painting a stainless steel roll bar. With all projects, preparation is key. So we're going to degrease the surface using a solvent-based degreaser to make sure we've got a clean surface to work with. Next up, we're going to sand the surface down with P180 to 220 grit sandpaper. Then we're going to clean the surface again using a solvent-based degreaser to remove any dirt, oil, wax, and other contaminants, and dry the surface off again. Although Raptor's roll bar and chassis paint is a direct-to-metal, we recommend priming the surface for the best results. We recommend using Raptor's engine enamel for this. We're going to shake the can for 2 minutes and apply 2 coats at 15 to 25 centimeters from the surface. We're going to let that flash off now for 5 to 10 minutes in between coats and let the primer dry for 1 hour before overcoating. Once you're finished, invert the can and spray it until only propellant comes out and chuck it back on the shelf for next time. Now the surface is all primed, we're ready to paint. Shake the can for 2 minutes and apply 2 to 3 coats at 15 to 25 centimeters from the surface. Make sure to flash off 5 to 10 minutes in between coats. 1 can of Raptor's roll bar and chassis paint should cover about 2.5 square meters. The surface should be touch dry in about 30 minutes. For the best results, make sure you leave it overnight to dry. And last but not least, invert the can and spray it until only propellant comes out and you can chuck it back on the shelf for next time. Raptor's high temperature roll bar and chassis paint is heat resistant up to 120 degrees Celsius, it's a direct to metal, and it's available in gloss black and satin black. Have a look at the rest of the range and check out the safety and technical data sheets at raptorcoatings.com.au.